can see, I have this one here, so I know I would have the other one here because it's like a puzzle. So basically you have to just match it up as you go along. I'm using a full sheet. I'm not cutting it because it's less work. As you can see, it already matched the gray in the wall. It's already matched most of the stuff in the bathroom. So by me putting the adhesive up here, it will hold it. Then I can actually go back and get the other one to match it up as a puzzle. Apply. Not much. You don't want it to be too heavy. I don't like to talk and work, so I'm just gonna go ahead. And you can see exactly what I'm doing as I go along. See? Just make sure you get enough up there. Remember, this is like a glue, so you're gonna make sure it sticks. Okay, to get the adhesive off the towel so it won't sit, so you won't have a harder time cleaning it off when it's set and dry, you get a damp piece of cloth, wet it. You're not gonna do perfect clean now, just to get it here so you could see your progress, right? This is just the first one. You don't want it to stick too long, but you still have ways to get it off. If it's dry, see? See? You do it in a circular motion. You don't get the stuff out between the edges. Then I'm gonna get down, I'm gonna get the other one to fit, to match over here like we're doing a puzzle. Here we go. What I have done earlier, I went ahead and I matched them up in order on the floor to make sure when I pick them up, I already know how to pick them in order. So I already know that this one already matched with this one here, with the slide here. So I just picked it up, placed it in between, just like I did the first one. Pushed onto the wall. You want to make sure they're all even. You don't want anyone that is crooked, right? Make sure you have space between each and every one of them. All right? Remember, ladies, I'm doing this for you guys. I am not a professional, but I do know what I'm doing. And I can help you save a lot of money by doing it yourself. It's not hard. It's really not. Just give it a try. Just try a small area in your home. Or just get a piece of plywood and practice on. It's not hard. It's not hard at all. And as you can see, it's coming along. A different look of my beautiful shower. It was just driving me crazy. Coming in here, taking a shower, looking at this bare wall. Right? I have pictures of before and after of what my bathroom used to look like. But with my hard work and my dedication, it's now become my dream bathroom. See? Gotta make sure everything is in line. By pushing up to make sure everything is lined properly. You want to have a straight line. See? You already have a wall. Okay, here we go, the sheet. As you can see, I know at the cutting point inside there, which I have measured the length from the wall to the ending of the tiles inside the shower. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to measure. So I know that from the wall to the tile is 10. And, me and my tape measure stuck, huh? My newbie. So I'm gonna measure the longest piece to 10. See? I don't have a marker, see? I'm old school. I'm gonna mark it to 10. And then the next longest piece to 10. Right? To get my line properly. I'm gonna use this piece of cardboard. Cause remember, I need this side to put on the wall. I probably could use this side later on. See? You could use this side later on to do the filling for the rest of the small tiles. And here we go. So we're gonna go with our cutting, and I'll see you guys back inside when I'm ready to put it in. I have make it to where I have to actually cut the tile. So as you can see, I've already marked it to where I need it. So I'm gonna put the blade in front of the line, not on the line, but in front. To make sure I cut. Here, because I already have the easel up, and I already take my measurement, and as you can see, I'm fitting it as I go along. This is where I was cutting it. So you gotta push, make sure it fit right in. Right in. Push it against the wall. Make sure it's taking that adhesive. Make sure it's all coming along. See? Almost there, almost there. So for all my newbies, don't be scared. You can do it. You don't have to call a professional. All you need is just a simple tool. See? See? Just like that. And you're ready. Then I'm gonna do the other side. See? I know you're probably cheering me along. Say, go girl, you got it. I know. My head is already big already. I'm getting it. See? That's just the first part. Alright, I'm gonna move on to the next side, which is here. I'm gonna take my measurement from here, the ending of the shower, to the ending of the mold in here to make sure I have the right setting. Right, so I make this side longer because I wanted this to have the same balance up to under here. Then I'm gonna have from here to here. So I'm gonna take the measurement from the end of the top of the shower here to the end of the molding. Then I have to measure it on the tile and cut it just the same. But I have to mold it all the way out. Okay? So I'm gonna go ahead, do the same thing that I did with this one. Measure, cut, paste, and up. And let me show you. And what I will be doing, I'll be matching pieces. Remember, since I've cut the edge here, there's nothing to fit this slot in. So the edge right here is very smooth. We're gonna fill this in later on a later date, tonight of course, but what we're gonna do now, we're gonna put this up to finish our puzzle, to make sure we have it to where we want, right? And since we have cut it at the joints, don't forget to rub it in. And you also wanna make sure that these tiles are not shifting. Remember, they're only hold by a mesh at the back of it. Make sure you push it in. Make sure to hold, because these things are going to be in the shower. They're getting wet. You don't want to be in here taking a shower and something fall and hit you. Alright, so here we go. Make sure all is well. So when it dry, it will dry perfectly. I'm rubbing it so that it won't stick too much on it. Like I said earlier, get a damp rag and you could be wiping it in circles. Always do it in a circular motion so you don't wipe between these lines and get the adhesive out. Remember guys, I'm only talking from how my experience is. I'm not a professional. But I figured I could help somebody out. Somebody who is cheap as I am, right? And like finer things in life. do-it-yourself home projects. Here we go. Simple. This is gonna take you less than an hour just to do your bathroom. If you put all your stuff in order, put them in one place. I have to take my glasses off and get my adhesive on it, and those things are very costly. Here I am going again. I did the same thing that I did with this one. I went ahead and I cut it. So I'm now gonna put the puzzle in place and fall it right in line with the other one. See how easy? Always make sure that they lined up. Always make sure that they lined up. Press down. Make sure you get it. Every single tile is touching the adhesive. And what you're gonna do is rub your hand over in a circular motion. Wet rag. Magic of a wet rag. See? What you're actually doing is get all the adhesive off the tile. You don't want that to set on the tile. That's hard work for you for later on because you're going to be grouting it. You don't want to mix the two. Whatever grout you decide to use will be of your own preference. See? Up here in the wall, I'm just going to go ahead and get this off with a wet rag before it dries completely. And then later on, I can touch it up with some paint. Because if not, I'm going to have to sand it down. That's more work again. Okay guys, I went ahead and I cut out the hole for this sheet. What I did, take the head off the shower.
That's right.
And I measure up, which I pre-did. And I mark, cut the hole out. So now I'm gonna insert. Continue on with my puzzle. Then we push to make sure every adhesive is covered on each tile. Push in, make sure everyone is covered. Like I said, rub in a circular motion. Then, here's the cover back your hole over the shower head. Circular motion. If you can't get it on, take your gloves off. And here you go. By grouting, this should hold in place. See, cover the hole. You have that professional look. See, no one can say I didn't get someone to do this for me, right? Remember, always wipe your shower head. You could do this right away or even after. I don't want to get any adhesive on it, so I'm holding it very closely and turn it on. See? And here we go. Make sure it's very tight so you turn the shower back on. You don't have any leak. And that is, see? Easy. Wipe, clean as you go. Less work later on.